There's only one thing better than a keto chocolate cake. Guess what it is? Welcome to the Keto Baking Mechanic, where we create, tweak, and enhance keto and low-carb breads and baked goods, including authentic keto and low-carb sourdough. Hi, I'm Sherry Mack. You'll always get the recipe link in the description. Be sure to like the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can be informed when I have other videos coming down the pike. The one thing that's better than a keto chocolate cake is a keto chocolate cake made for 2 minutes in the microwave. How could you possibly go wrong? So let's get started. So before we start, we're going to just spray our cup with some avocado spray. And then we are going to add all of our ingredients into our mini mixer, starting with some butter, or you could use avocado oil. We're going to use some protein powder, not protein isolate. This is chocolate protein powder. So we're going to add that in as well. We have some brown sugar sweetener. 2 tablespoons of our 0-carb cocoa powder, a little bit of baking powder, and last but not least, 1 egg. Now, we may need a little bit of water in this. We will see once we've blended. You can see that the mixture is a little bit thick. So what we want to do is we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of water. This is 1/4 of a cup. So we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of water at a time and mix it again. Okay. Now we can pour this into our cup. I don't want to waste any. Just get that off of the blade. Pour the rest of our mixture in. Now this is a big cup, so it's not going to go all the way, but that's okay. We're going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. We're just going to put some chocolate chips, a handful on top of the batter. Oh, I love sugar-free chocolate chips. It's my favorite. And we're now going to microwave it for 2 minutes. This video is brought to you by Sinless Sourdough, where ancient art meets low-carb science. I'm the creator of Sinless Sourdough. I developed a line of keto, low-carb, dehydrated sourdough starters that have been third-party independently tested for their authenticity. When you purchase a starter, you get a starter guide that teaches you how to bring your starter to life, as well as a whole bunch of sourdough discard recipes that I also feature on this channel. You can also invest in a membership if you'd like to take your keto sourdough journey further and learn more fermentation techniques and learn about 3 different styles of keto sourdough. It's all in the description in the Sinless Sourdough link. Okay, our cake is ready. Beautiful. Look at this. We're just going to put it on top of our plate, flip it over. Look at this. Okay, let's try this baby. Oh, delicious. Chocolatey. So good.